I dare you, Tatiana Jacobs, to impersonate a drunk sailor, a drunk off his ass sailor who's hallucinating. His hallucinations include a ghost that he's talking to. What he says to this ghost has to be about his financial problems and the fact that his wife cheated on him with his half-brother. With your half-brother, Tatiana. Go.
Okay. Kelly Beto, get your butt in here.
What up, homeless? Is
Sit over here. I need you for this.
I'll close the door.
You're my wife. Okay.
Wait, let me move over here.
Look my life. Oh my god.
The camera loves you.
Oh my god.
You're a star.
Should I be the? It would be funny if I was the ghost, just standing there.
You can do that if you want
No,
to.
don't do it. I want to talk to something. It's not there. Okay, I'm sorry. You're see-through. You just looked at my skirt, didn't you? I'm a man. Why am I wearing this skirt? You stupid face. You know what's stupider than your face? See, this bitch over here, she cheated on me with my half-brother. And here I thought she was gay, but she's not, which is kind of fucked up. But I guess she sort of thought that I was poor because I lost my job. This is a teddy bear. But now I'm poor and I'm a hobo. Oh. Hobo toy. Are you stupid?
And see.
Okay, sweet. This time I'm using a different soda.
If you eat it quick, you kind of forget the flavor after you wash it.
I'll eat it slow.
Okay, this is our Fruits Basket cosplay group playing Truth or Dare.
I'm just one of those weirdos who can't mix
Hey,
salt.
peeps.
Introduce yourselves.
You know
I'm
what
just gonna
sounds,
go by Jess. Hey.
You know what sounds great? Peeps.
Your foot is like right in front of her face.
Hey, you know, it's not my fault I have a broken ankle.
Okay, next time I even do the worst one. If anyone wants to try the double dare with me. That's a different combination. Just
Dude, your pants are like the only colorful thing in this image.
who? Mine?
Yeah.
They're quite colorful, aren't they?
Don't do that.
She's on my face, but
Tell everybody who you play.
what?
Toru.
Chikure.
Kyo.
I'm Yuki. You don't get to see my face. Because secretly, I'm actually L. I don't know what I'm
No,
talking
that's
about.
her.
Oh, I was like, what is in this pen?
I don't
Like
care.
Do you know what was
heroin?
in that? It's like
Tastes
grape
like
juice.
Pepsi and grape.
It's like grape and Aerosmith and grape. Or
Guys,
the-
It was actually really good.
Oh shit, I'm gonna make it the worst one for you next time.
If I were a drug dealer, I would put heroin in pens because you could stab in the vein and, you know, nobody would think they'd be in pens.
True.
Okay, Jess, your turn.
Oh.
Hannah, truth or dare?
No,
Dare or Double Dare.
Oh, dare, double dare.
We're playing Dare or Double Dare. Dare.
Do you want me to? I could do something.
I forget. Who are we asking?
Her.
Eat one of these thingies right here, licked by one of those two. You can pick who.
What?
One of
You have to
us
lick a
two
Fruit
is-
Loop
One of us
by
two
one
are-
of them,
Oh, gross.
and then eat it.
So you get to pick me or her.
You want to know the strangest thing? I am
shit.
dating Shigure.
He's dating Shigure.
That's
Really?
interesting. Oh, Lord. Pick.
Sexual.
Oh my god.
Oh.
I do not want to do this.
Pick someone.
I do not
If you
want
don't
to
pick,
do
I'll do
this.
it.
She'll lick it. And then
Well, I've known you like forever. I know where your mouth has been.
Exactly. Nowhere.
Like one guy's lips once. For like 2 seconds.
Exactly. Oh, Hannah's. Who knows?
You're welcome.
Okay, my lips have been all over the place. You
That's
guys
why
don't
I
want
said
to know.
Hannah's. Who knows? Ugh. Okay, pick one of them.
Shelby.
What?
lick it.
Oh.
Lick it.
I don't want to do this.
Don't be all. Don't touch your tongue to it. You gotta.
Oh, gross.
Lick it.
Someone.
I'm not gonna wash this. I heard it! No, I'm not eating that!
Dude, do it.
Shut up. It's not that
It's
bad.
either this dare or a double dare.
Okay, I'll do the double dare.
Now I gotta think of a bad one.
No,
It's a bad one.
I'm gonna make her special.
I don't care as long as it
Add,
hasn't
like-
been in someone else's mouth.
Add mustard and stuff.
Yeah, add gross stuff.
Yeah.
Oh god.
Don't just put a chip in some soda. Add some nasty shit.
Oh my god.
Just feel like, mayonnaise.
This is your penalty.
Oh my god.
This is your penalty, Hannah.
I don't care.
Oh, what else is in the fridge? I would have eaten the Fruit Loop.
I would have eaten the Fruit Loop.
I'm not gonna eat a Fruit Loop that's been in someone else's mouth.
My first kiss was so awkward.
Am I the only one who hasn't had one?
But it wasn't
Yes.
like, I sometimes don't count it. Like, sometimes I'm like, meh, that doesn't count. And then other times like, it counts. So,
It counts if you have had somebody else's lips on yours and they weren't giving you CPR or they weren't related
his
to
lips were
you.
like half on mine.
Unless it's like
and half
incest.
off.
Guess that counts.
Misfire.
Oh, awkwardly cute.
Yeah.
Okay. Has anybody else realized like Hikaru and Kaoru's first kiss? We all know who it was.
Each other?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You look like so bored.
This is so disgusting. I'm gonna bark for her.
What is it?
Oh god, what is that?
And don't tell us until after she drinks it.
I'm not drinking that!
Hannah?
I
Have to.
It's not bad. It's all good stuff. Oh, did I mix that in? I don't think it's something's at the bottom.
Hannah?
It looks like dead animal tissue.
It's
Pussy
red.
out. I will slap you.
I'm pussying out. Slap me.
It's either this one or that one.
We all did it. Now do it.
Oh, it's wet. No, I meant the Fruit Loop. I'm gonna
Save
take the
that for
Fruit Loop.
later.
Oh god, it's wet. Oh god.
Just eat it.
I don't want it. I don't want to put this in my mouth.
Such a baby. God.
Put the Fruit Loop in your mouth.
At least it wasn't like raw.
I can't do it.
Just like a new one.
I can't do it.
I got this, man. I'm gonna make it even more.
Can we please not give me food dares, okay? I don't like food dares.
This one I would actually probably drink, no problem. It's
What's
good
in
stuff. Fruit Loops chips. The chips aren't really, I wouldn't like that. But there's a green tea, red cherry, Fanta, and a little bit of chocolate syrup at the bottom.
Oh my god.
Doesn't sound that bad.
Dude, no. That sounds disgusting.
No, let I drink that or
You know what's
like,
disgusting?
eat that.
The fact that you can't own up and take a dare.
You know what?
Yeah,
I
you're
ran outside in public naked for you. Oh, it's still wet. Okay.
You literally had your shirt off.
You're the most like dariest
And
person
no one was
of us
out
all.
there but us.
I
You're
hate
not doing
putting
the
things in my
dares.
mouth. I hate putting things in my mouth.
Okay, sometimes I